Alright, Nanny and Papa are here. We can start Christmas morning since Kyle forgot.
Credit card.
Here's a little
Yes.
credit card
From-
for you. It comes without instructions, but you should know what to do. Merry
That's from
Christmas.
Grandpa and Connie.
To Walmart for $30.
Wow.
Wow.
Can I have those, please? So they don't get thrown away.
Got $300.
Can I have that, please?
$300.
Alright. Now, which one are y'all opening now? Wait a minute, wait, y'all gotta open at the same time. They have picked the small. They have picked the small one to open up together. Were you expecting something else?
I'll take those.
You can keep it, because I know how you have them at your house. Thank you, Mom, for giving me a pair of gloves. Thank you.
Don't be thanking me.
And I already know what's up with that. I already opened it. Nail biting. Trying to break the fabric. Okay. And then, let's not put this on my lip.
No, we realized last night that was not lip gloss.
I got clothes.
Let's see how pretty it is.
Ooh, I got clothes. Okay.
Kyle? Hey, why not throw the...
Let's go next year.
Alright, Kyle's got a head start on collared shirts.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I got Bolt. Got Bolt Wing.
Hey, throw the paper over here, please.
I got Bolt Wing.
What you got?
I got Bolt Wing.
Ooh, you know what those would be good for? Help you study.
Highlighting.
Yeah, I like it.
Kyle, got all kind of clothes, don't you?
Long sleeve t-shirt.
That's 30 degrees on there.
Dang.
Kyle,
In your house, you should have.
what you got?
And how you going like that? Can I tell you?
I can't read it.
Life activities.
Oh, you work all day on that. What you got, Emily?
But I don't know about that.
What?
Oh, Lord. It shows things.
That's pretty.
That looks hard.
Thank you!
Don't thank me.
Dad.
That's funny.
What's that?
Lego Indiana Jones.
Long sleeve Air Force.
Oh.
I didn't wear that to school. Santa was thinking school.
You mean Nanny was?
Nanny. Nanny, are you Santa Claus?
No. I'm thinking, I got Nanny.
Then why are you always wearing red? Every day you're wearing red.
That's not red. That's rust.
Right? It's still in the red family.
Hey, you can
Oh,
layer
I
it.
got either the block.
Hey,
red,
Emily,
or the-
you can layer it. Emily, you can layer it. The
I got
black
that
underneath the
video
gray.
game.
Oh, I was on this one. Short sleeve. Air Force.
You can put on a shirt under that one.
Another Indiana Jones.
What's Indiana Jones?
It's a good movie. Ooh, another tank top.
Hold
Or a long sleeve shirt.
What is that, son?
Stop the squealing.
Oh my goodness.
on. Lifetime.
What is that?
iPod.
What?
iPod.
What's an iPod?
What is that?
That holds music.
I know what an iPod is. I'm just teasing.
They didn't have iPods when I was
Now
little.
you know what present you got.
Don't lose that little bitty thing.
Whoa!
What?
Or this.
Yay!
I bet that you
The
got.
game that you can play with your butt. See?
I turned it on.
Or surfing.
Two presents in one.
Or the present.
What is that?
Origami!
Do you know what it is?
Thank you! Origami! It's the stuff that you make like Chinese things.
Mhm.
The numbers?
You make animals out of it. It looks like.
Oh, that's that paper.
Didn't let me. You would have put some of the presents into the one.
Ye are sun yun ga wa
Download music from your computer like a Walkman.
Only on IT.
Another one, yay.
She said so.